All right, welcome back to Royal Wood Flooring. Let's go ahead and hope we're not going to get interrupted this time. Every time the phone rings, the video shuts off. You can see this engineered floor. Looks like they paid a lot of money to that design years ago. So most likely paid a lot of money for this flooring too, because it's 3 different sizes. 3, 5, 7. Let's go ahead and see how the demo is coming out. Everybody's working hard. Even tone. So we did cuts on it to break the resistance. One more video. Sorry. National Wood for Demolition. Give us a call today, 602-446-2613. Doing that by hand. Call us today, Royal Wood Flooring. 602-446-2613. That's how you demo wood floor with this beautiful machine. And by giving us a call today at 602-446-2613, you find us online at www.royalwoodflooring.com. And besides wood floor, vinyl floor installation, sanding and refinishing. We also do demolition of wood floors, tile floors, vinyl floors, VCT. So we'll be more than happy to work with you anywhere throughout the state of Arizona. We look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching our videos. Till next time.